Hi, good day everyone, and welcome. I'm excited to introduce you to J&J Training Center. Believe in equipping individuals with real-world skills that open doors to work from home opportunities and online careers. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up, you are in the right place. Our mission is simple: to make a high quality virtual assistant and online job training accessible and affordable. So, we focus on practical, hands on learning that helps our student not only to learn but succeeded in the real world of remote work. So, why choose us? What makes us different? We offer complete guidance from training to job application. Our courses are beginner friendly. Our mentors are experienced, of course. They've handled an Australian client, and we continue to support our student even after they graduate. This isn't just a course, it's your stepping stone to financial freedom. So we offer a zero. In zero, you learn how to set up a company file, and also you'll manage invoices, track expenses, and reconcile bank transactions. You will do it in actual practice. We'll guide you through payroll setup, reporting, and automation features that save time. In QuickBooks, this course teaches you how to navigate QuickBooks Online, record income and expenses, and also generate reports. You will also learn how to handle payroll, taxes, and client management efficiently. For the BAST, you'll learn how to prepare, review, and lodge a business activity statement for Australian businesses. Will cover GST, PAYG, withholding, and reporting deadlines you stay compliant. Xero and QuickBooks are two of the most in-demand accounting tools used by Australian businesses. As you can see, if there is a bookkeeping hiring, they're always mentioning that are actually you need to be knowledgeable in Xero and QuickBooks. They are cloud-based, client-friendly, and ideal for virtual assistants. By learning how to navigate and manage transactions in this platform, you'll be ready to assist business owners with real bookkeeping tasks confidently and accurately. Empower your financial future. And this is it. Here in our training center, we teach you what you need to confidently start working as a bookkeeper. So you don't need to be perfect, you just need to learn the right skills the smart way. You'll learn that through real experience, and we'll be here to support you every step of the way. As I mentioned, we are a real world training. We focus on practical skills using Zero, QuickBooks, payroll, and BAS, exactly what clients and employers need. It's a Filipino friendly, affordable pricing, flexible schedules, and support tailored for Filipino learners aiming to work with Australian clients. We don't just teach, we guide you toward the opportunities through our community, chat group, and job posts. No experience needed. Our step-by-step lesson are perfect for those starting from scratch. You learn at your own pace and get personal guidance when you need it. Future life through skill, confidence, and opportunity. After completing our training, you'll be able to set up and manage client account in Xero and QuickBooks. You will confidently set up and manage client account, record daily transaction accurately, reconcile accounts, and prepare rep. You will also understand and generate BAS for GST reporting. That's really important. Supports Australian businesses skilled virtual bookkeeping assistants. Your goal is to make you job ready and confident to take on real clients in the global market. What's included in each course? Hands-on training, step-by-step using real tools, zero the QuickBooks and the BAS form. Lifetime access, so study anytime at your own pace, no expiration. Certificate of completion, you will get it once you've finished the training. A real world exercises from our coaches that is really working with Australian clients. One-on-one support. We were here to guide you through every lesson and question. Exclusive access to job leads. Join our student community and get access to job opportunities and referral. The question is how much? Our courses actually only 1,100 for zero training, and for the QuickBook is 1,299. For the bus is only 650 pesos. All three courses you will get it for only 2,399. You will save more with getting those three courses. But we have promos and discount that we can give you. For the early bird discount, you'll get 10% off when you enroll early. And for refer a friend, you'll get 200 off for every friend who enrolled with our courses. Start your journey now with skills that pay. This course didn't just teach theory, it showed me exactly what bookkeepers do every day. I feel 100% job ready. This is one of the comment of our one of our student. Get in touch with us. Just click the link on this post so that you can check our Facebook page, our community, and our blog. Thank you for being here, and your start your day. Start and get ready to be an Australian bookkeeper and to be a financial free. Bye.